Okay, I'll show you how I actually cut the channel. Now this is about 35-degree angle that I've used a hacksaw to cut, and here this is where we hammered this flat on the ends, as you can see. I'll show you that later on. And here the 35-degree angle's here, but we've also made a 35-degree angle on this side to allow the rubber on the inside to cut right into the corners without the channel touching it. So here we are, we're using a piece of steel, flat steel, so we can use that as the anvil if you like, and you put the squeegee channel up like that, and you hit it like that, and you can see it's getting a little bit flat at the edges here, and see, it just needs a little bit more. You just sort of, that's how you actually hammer it, and you tap it until it actually spreads out a little bit out. And well, I suppose that's about it.